90 minutes and 2000 words. That is the equation in the descriptive paper. The question that might be coming in your mind would be whether it is feasible to write 2000 words in 90 minutes, whether you should always be sticking to the word limit or you can relax about it, whether word limit should be given precedence over quality or it should be other way around. Like that, there might be many questions coming in your mind. I would like to address all these questions in this short video, and we will also see what toppers have to say about the word limit in the descriptive paper. Before that, let us briefly discuss about what is this 2000 words in 90 minutes, what is the pattern of descriptive paper. So if we talk about RBI grade B, you have to attempt 2 questions of 10 marks each where the word limit is 400 words. So 400 into 2, that is 800 in total for these 2 questions. Then 2 questions that you have to attempt are 15 marker each, where the word limit is 600 for each question, which makes it 600 into 2, that is 1200. So the total becomes 1200 plus 800, that is 2000. So that is what I am talking about when I say 2000 words in 90 minutes. And this is not only about RBI grade B, though NABARD has not given the exact word limit. But a lot of people have been calling NABARD, and NABARD is saying that we have not got any word limit for IBPS. But if IBPS has kept some word limit for RBI, the same kind of thing would be applicable to the NABARD paper also. That is what they are saying, but then there is nothing official about it. But NABARD obviously have seen it keeps on copying RBI when it comes to setting the exams or the exam pattern. Now, the answer to all these questions, whether is it feasible to write 2000 words in 90 minutes, whether you should give precedence to word limit over quality, right? So the answer cannot be simple yes and no. Ideally, what I think is then that when word limit is described, you should always try to stick to the word limit. That's the best possible scenario. But the question here is not about whether you should stick to the word limit or not, because I think it's not possible. Writing 2000 words in 90 minutes, I think it's next to impossible unless and until you are a very seasoned reader and a writer, both. And what toppers have to say about this? Let us try to discuss that. The toppers of RBI grade B who cleared exam this year, what they have to say about the word limit, I would be telling you about that. Right? So I personally talked to 73 people who scored more than 35 plus either in ESI or in FM. So they have got good marks either in either of the paper. So out of these 73 people, 58 people said that they wrote less. They were not able to stick to the word limit because they were not having that time. Right? Then 12 people said that they almost matched the word limit somehow, and 3 people said that they don't remember, or in some questions they matched, in some questions they don't. But the main figure here is this 58, right? So huge chunk of people who got selected, it is clear that huge chunk of people out of that were not able to stick to the word limit. The reasons that they gave were that the time was less. They had to think a lot before writing an answer. They had to structure their answer, and when they were writing, they were deleting the sentences many a time. They were shifting the content up and down to structure it properly. And in the end, they also kept some time for review. Many of them, at least 5 to 7 minutes to review so as to make sure that there are no spelling mistakes. So the verdict which I am able to deduce it from here is that word limit is given. That's okay. We should try. I mean, if we are good at writing, if we are good at reading, we know all the content, we should try to stick to the word limit, but it is not really something easy to achieve. So in that scenario, when there is confusion between whether to stick to the word limit or whether to go for the quality, I think what the verdict says is that you should go for the quality. And the word limit which people wrote about is around about, say, for 10 markers, the word limit was 400, but they wrote around 270 to 280 words, right? And here for 600, where the word limit was 600, many of them wrote about somewhere between 370 to 400, right? So overall, I think nobody was able to write among these 58 more than, say, 1400 to 1500 words, right? So give precedence to quality. Doesn't matter if you're not able to stick to the word limit. I think if you're able to write something really good, even within those 1500 words, which has proper structure, proper thought process, proper examples, proper conclusion, I think that is sufficient, right? So please do not worry if you are not able to stick to the word limit. You have a slow thinking speed, you have slow speed with respect to typing. The focus should be on quality. Quality shall be taking precedence over word limit as of now. But yes, within years to come, when descriptive will become a new normal, I know people will be practicing more, than maybe 2-3 years down the line, 1700, 1800 words might be a possible thing. But as of now, I think even if you can write good answers within 1400 to 1500 word limit, that is good for you. I hope this information is useful to you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.